Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kwabichumesi. Of course, if you prefer the English version, please click on the first link in the description section below to suit yourself. Hello, Madofo, Misama Akwababa Fufu TV. So, of course, Wasum for Kwabichumesi. I did a full course on how to start a photo booth business. Brebrena contacting me. They are happy with that business. And in case they won't share, I'll leave a link to that in the description section below. And I just go through all the videos that you upload on this channel and look for the photo booth business course. Share. I am still creating content for those that don't want to sell a product, but they want to provide a service. Okay. And providing services at events, is one of the easiest way to make money, either as full-time and as a side hustle. Okay, and so in case you don't want to get through the photo booth and the photo booth business, it's too expensive for you. You providing what they call the might suggested to you guys, is also another way you can make a lot of money either on the side and now or working full time. Most of the events, you'll be booking on Saturdays and Sunday, and so even if you are working full time, most of the time within Monday to Friday, you just be doing your bookings and contacting customers. And Saturdays, Sundays, you just be busy going to events. Now there's this product, and this product, a kids bouncy castle. And your castle can be a kids bouncy house, kids bouncy slides, and the rest. But most time I'm for in a kids bouncy castle. With this kids bouncy castle, really, really popular. So be it in a birthday, I could be in a birthday, which I could set it up this bouncy castle, and the kids will have fun with it. Even post any event. Now, openi be a wedding and a more important event before penifua. Normally, no, unto country parents, so most parents are going to bring their kids. And see, even if the big adults are having their events, let's say wedding, you can also set up some small one corner be for the kids to have fun. And in order for the kids to stay busy and have fun, you getting a kids jumpy castle, is going to make your life easier. Kids will love it. It's going to attract all kids, and the kids will just have fun at their one corner. And to your BI, you are looking for a side hustle service to provide that. This is a great opportunity. Oh, start it up. You can just get one. And as time goes on, our business and air grown, then get a different variety. And to parent be back and will be back. So percent will bet set it up when the event you display all your varieties. Every variety be an so you have your own package, but when your own price. As easy as that. I'm not going to go into so much details in regards to this. And if you are interested in this business now, so let me discuss our photo booth business course. Replicate the exact same strategy. Just use this instead of photo booth. You'll be providing a kids bouncy castle instead of photo booth, and replicate the exact same strategy with this business too. And trust me, you make money. Where you can get this product to buy, which means be a free Alibaba from a trusted supplier. Yeah, make I say so. I've got a trusted supplier, and of course, if you're part of the buy sell club community now, you have the contact of the supplier at your fingertips. You might be sharing my screen, then I'll show you guys how to get this. See you on the other side. So where can you get this sort of kids castle and a kids bouncy castle to buy? Again, my number one place to go is Alibaba. You find a lot of suppliers over there. Of course, Kwame Chumesi and Buy Sell Club community, we have trusted supplier. I'll share some of their prices with you shortly. And see, let's go to Alibaba. Okay, into Alibaba now, in the search terminal, you can search for kids bouncy. So, into type kids bouncy, what's your search term now? But kids bouncy castle, kids bouncy house, kids bouncy castle, inflatable, kids bouncy castle, inflatable, kids bouncy balls, kids bouncy castle with slide, kids bouncy for sale, kids bouncy animals. There are lots of variation in regards to this bouncy castle and our bouncy house, or more different types. You can start with one, and as time goes on, you have different varieties. Into customers grab in China, we do all your sort of bouncy house and our bouncy castles now. We'll be displaying in a beer so and then a board into omu choose castle a ne bonko, omu choose house a ne bonko, omu choose slide a ne bonko. Okay, let's go for like a house and like a castle, and to make click here on Kids Bouncy Castle. Okay, cool. So now voila, a lot of these will pop up. There are lots of suppliers in China. They are selling this sort of product. You can use this as a service. So, and see, I don't like to waste time because me who be say and be one sorry. Now me person me taking me time and do a deep dive. And so let's just click on the first one here. Well, once the way crown or Slido and a house, they have different types. The video and a wahano. Let's watch the video. Well, and see if you get one of these products now, Okoseti app will be event. Don't you think that you can make money from it? Because kids will love it, and to keep the kids busy, you can even go and buy some and sell to individual parents or more big front yard and our backyard. They can set this up for their get together and for their friends saying for their kids and for their family gatherings. Into this sort of product, trust me, if you have one, you can make a lot of money from it. And I'm kind, they have different types. So we they have different types. So you can come on Alibaba and do a search and also do a good deep dive and look for a supplier or to me a supply be amount. You want kutwa in kutwa ne bo nsheda anye den said one they be a $170, it be a $240. You can get one. But also comes with its pump. I say on a balloon to me and kokroa. Shipping is not going to be very expensive because a bear kokroa a share box uko yusua na fi wa pump it na yekese amount. And the shipping is going to be very cheap because any product be so. Okay, size na wahano. Okay, 270 centimeters by okay. We're going to a small ones when and shada and subebre. Okay, but for the supplier na me wano so that me kind you get the Kids Bouncy house and our slide and our castle no. And the weight and a wahano. Well, the size and a wahano. Most will also come with an electric pump. And you have to pet pump no one can pump it. And once with the shower and then a pump it, you just plug it. And on a wahano. Most will have like all the details for you. So if you want to now, I always say you need to join Buy Sell Club so I can give you the details of the supplier. Back in the days, I give out all this information and people end up selling it to others, which I hated so much. And to see, and I only give it to people that are really interested. That's why I've got Buy Sell Club. It's like a community. If you join, that will show me that you are serious about this and you have access to all the suppliers. And so guys, I have a trusted supplier. They specialize in selling Kids Bouncy house. And so if you are someone that is serious, you can contact them and they'll help you out. All you have to do is just mention Buy Sell Club, Prince from Buy Sell Club, and they'll take good care of you. These are their current prices, okay? As I'm talking to you now in September 2023, these are their current prices. Or more increase in the future, please don't come and bash me. Okay, these are their current prices. If you want the contact of the supplier now, please join Buy Sell Club. I have this there for you to download and also have the WhatsApp number. Okay, this same supplier, so again, or Tom, this photo booth, either 360 photo booth and everything in regards to photo booth, they've been in this industry for 20 good years. All their items are of good quality. Hence, that's why I'm comfortable and I'm brave to share their pricing and also to share their information with Buy Sell Club members. Okay, so just join Buy Sell Club and have access to the contact of this supplier. Anyways, and see, almost any heavy duty. We share measurement now. How to say? Almost no esuso. And to say them rich from Alibaba no. We almost so. And hence that's why the prices are high. Into your BI, you want to get your hands dirty, or you want to really get into this business. Then please contact them and go for it. And to these are the types or more. So or more different types. Where castle, where Prince or Frozen. Into all these movie characters, they have a castle and they have a bouncy house. That kids will love. And to depend on the theme, on the sort of event now, you can what do you call it? Let the parents and other event owners, let them choose. So this would be great for like deco, no kika, especially about kids. All right, keep the kids busy. And I remember Nenya Wadwin say and Kolankwan or between Yakako set up, even weddings and in penny for event, they obviously want to bring their kids. So you can set this at one corner to keep the kids busy whilst in Penifono enjoy their events. There's no excuse for you to say Ejuma in Ghana. Until I'll leave it here. And my name is Kwame Chumesi. If you find this useful, you know what to do. Please click on that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you do not miss out when we release another useful video. On this channel, there, all we talk about is business. Okay, yep. So be enya bibi ye. Mentenase and kase Ejuma in Ghana. Ejuma or Ghana. You see. Okay, my name is Kwame Chumesi. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.